How to add friends in Marvel Rivals. So first, you just simply need to click on this icon here at the top right, and it will bring you here on your like friend list. So just simply click on it. So here are the contacts that you have, and here are the requests that is pending. So I don't have any friend requests that are pending. And here on the left side, you will see the recent players where you could basically add them, or you could also invite them to your lobby. So you could just open up a lobby right here and invite the recent players that you've played with. So these are the players that I have played with. And you could also add them if you want. So let's say I want to add this player right here. Just simply click on add friend, and you just simply need for them to wait to accept it. And if they're online, you could also see it. As you can see, this person is online and in the team. I could invite them if I want, or I could also add them and wait for them to accept me. And once they accept me, they will be automatically added here at the contact section in my list. And that's basically it.